Angelina, do you understand this?
I don't get any of it.
Oh my god, what are we gonna do? The exam is tomorrow.
I think we really need to get some help.
Yeah. Wait, I think this is like not even stats. Give me a second. Actually, let's just get some help because we're gonna fail.
I'm so ready to ace this exam.
Oh my god, that's Jonathan. He's the best in our class.
Do you think you can help us?
Yeah. Excuse me, Jonathan, do you think you can help us? Good, because we're gonna fail.
Yeah, sure, I can help you guys. The exam is just based on discrete and continuous. I'll help.
So you understand both discrete and continuous? Because I actually don't understand continuous. I only understand discrete, but I don't know how to like share that or like teach her.
Same thing with me. I only understand continuous but not discrete, but I don't know how to explain it to her.
So the first thing we need to do is distinguish the differences between discrete variables and continuous variables. So discrete variables, from what it reads online, are variables that are countable in a finite amount of time, while continuous variables would literally take forever to count. Now we've explained that the differences between continuous and discrete, I must also mention that both discrete and continuous have subgroups within them.
That's why we didn't get it.
Yeah, so there's subgroups. We didn't really know that. Like, maybe that's why we're confusing the definitions for discrete, because there's so many definitions that like we get them confused, and maybe that's why we're not understanding stats.
I'm going to first begin with the subgroups of discrete. Discrete has two subgroups as mentioned before. They are nominal and ordinal. Nominal variables are a type of variable that don't have a ranking or not numerical values, so just basically categories. So an example of numerical variables are like t-shirts with a bunch of colors. They are a group of them with different colors. However, there's no ranking in between them and no numbers. Ordinal variables is a type of variable that does not have a numerical value but has a ranking.
Thank you, Jonathan. I think I understand ordinal now. I'm gonna explain with examples to Angelina.
Angelina, I think I just remembered a really good example. A really good example of ordinal variables is seen in Maslow's hierarchy of needs, where it displays categorical variables of people's needs in life. These needs are ranked in order from basic all the way to self-fulfillment needs. This shows categories without numerical values being ordered or ranked.
Interval variables are variables that are measured along a continuous numerical value that have the same amount of numbers in between each group. An example of this is degrees on a thermometer. The difference between -5 degrees to 0 degrees is the same as 95 Celsius to 100 Celsius. While ratio variables are similar to interval variables, the condition that separates them is that zero measurement means there is none of that variable.
Well, I know an example of ratio variable, a battery life. If a battery's percentage is 0%, that indicates that there's no energy left within the battery.
1 week later.
I really think I did good.
I'm scared, but we'll see.
Yeah.
Good job, ladies.